I mean, loop groups are just amazing. Obviously, if there's films where they're in multiple languages and things, so you'd obviously get people that can speak the language. But in terms of like CSI, where it's meant to be kind of, I guess, generic, like English background. Is it the same people doing everything, like all talking through the radio, and then all kind of talking the cafe, and then all?
Yes. It will be. I think for that, like today, it was, I want to say 6 to 8 people roughly, and that's a pretty normal group. We did a couple episodes back have a Chinatown episode in New York City, so they had to they had to get a couple of Asian speaking loopers, and all loop groups, there's a loop group leader who sort of has the Rolodex of all the people to call. So if they need, in this episode we have Russian mafia, so we should get a couple of Russian people, or people that have the dialect, or if we need some Spanish speaking, or we need some Cantonese, or whatever it is, there's these people just have a list of people they can call, and especially in film, the loop groups get much bigger, maybe more like 12 and 14 people, and depending on where, if the film is all over the world, they might need different people for different days, and it's a multi-day affair with a film. If it's cast of thousands, then of course, the loop groups go on for.
Yeah, I guess we have warlords and yeah.
But, you'd be surprised with a group of 6 people. Once you double and triple it up, it quickly becomes a crowd, and 4 tracks of 6 people can easily kind of match what you would expect 100 people to sound like. You could just make it sound like 100 people very fast if they're all clapping or cheering or making loud raucous noise. If you need like a battle cry and soldiers, rah, and you get 6 people times 4, it really does sound like a big group of people. So it actually works. It's strange, but it you buy it. You're kind of like, okay, that's enough. We got it.
Calm down, stop smashing.
Yeah, it works.